Hello, guys. Just give me 1 second setting up the stream. Let's, just set up the stream. Just 1 second, guys. I'm just getting the chat set up on my laptop so I can see what everyone's typing. All right. I'm just testing. You might hear some echo here. Testing. Sounds good. All right. Let's get started. Welcome, guys. So today I want to have a look at something that I wanted to look at for a little while. And that is Postgres. Now, I've used Postgres a ton in the past. Right, I've used it as my primary database for ages, for a bunch of, well, everything, just so much stuff. Oh, 1 sec, let me actually just change the titles. We want to get rid of the titles. Need to. Right, so it's not having enough code preparation. This issue event cannot be edited. Hold on. Update title. Oh, that's it. Okay. Learning. Advanced PostgreSQL. All right, cool. Let me just check Twitch Studio for 1 sec, guys. I just want to make sure that everything's all good. Sorry, might have hit some echo there. Yeah. Good. Where am I? I'm in education. Yeah, no, I want to be somewhere else, actually. I don't want to be in education. I want to be in software and game development, that's it. Okay. Here we are. Alright. So, guys, today we're having a look at some more advanced Postgres features. So, I want to take a look at Postgres subscriptions to start with. So, let's have a look at them here. Here. Oh yeah, I forget I have to be in OBS for this to work. Alright. So let's move you over here. Let's move this here. There we are. So on the right we have a couple notes. Guess we want to write some. Actually, just go down here, otherwise you guys can't see. Alright, subscriptions. Alright, so I just want to read, have a quick look through this. I don't think this is really what we want actually. It has logical replication. Doesn't seem quite right. Let's DBver. Let's have a look at DBver actually, because they're quite good at exposing some funky SQL features. Oof. All right. Close a bunch of stuff, close a bunch of stuff here. Oh, you look interesting. Right. That's also not great. Let's create a database. Let's make sure that we have PostgreSQL. Oh. Null version of the database was found. Oh, okay. So actually we gotta do some system maintenance here, guys. System maintenance. In the meantime, I think some music would be nice. Copyright free. Yeah, copyright free lo-fi. Royalty free lo-fi. Lo-fi beats royalty free. All sponsored. Royalty free music. Okay. I'm gonna
searching for music.
I'm gonna hope that's correct. Alright. I think that should be good. Is this capturing? Alright. Nice and relaxing. Even a little quieter maybe. Oh no, that's good. Let me just check the sound on the laptop. Cool. Right guys, so just a little bit of maintenance first. So right, so in the older bit, select the initDB arguments used to create it. Stop the service. Okay, so okay, stop the service. Let's move everything to okay. Let's actually just make sure that ls/var. What was it? /var. Actually, let's just move this over here. Here we are. Right. live/postgres. Oh yeah. sudo-u sudo or root -u-i root. I can't remember. Is it ui, iu, or just root? Alright, so now I can actually do whatever I want. We have all data. Okay, let's just remove all data. And let's move move data to be or just data to all data. Data and a temp rm shot tmp. Alright, cool. Like this, there we go. cd temp tmp even, and initdb -d/var/postgres -data -locale equals c.utf-8 -encoding equals utf-8 -data -checksums or check. Oh, this is bad. Does that work? Hold on. Wait. Just give me. Oh, like this. 17. Okay. So we must do this command. Okay, let's take this anyways. What do you mean it cannot be the random's root? Cannot. Oh, so I need to. That's it, yeah. Alright. You must have sleeve /lib /postgres /tmp. Is it 16 or something? I am confused, actually. Alright, you know what, yeah, let's I don't think I have anything to preserve, to be honest. So let's just start again. Very nice. We can now start. Great. Oh, not so great. Why? Yeah, I think that's all good. Great. User -- directive. John. Yes. Okay. Cool. Right, so now I can go create DB. Learning. And yeah, now we're good. Now we're good to just connect. Yeah. So if anyone has any questions, you know, feel free to feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to answer anything. Oh no. Okay. Sure what the password will be actually. Oh, country does not exist. Okay. I wonder if I can zoom in just to see if I'm references, user interface, accessibilities, no. I was trying to be bigger. This is quite small. Right. Anyways, it is annoying how small it is, but hold on there. Let's put it over there. Control to zoom. Oh really? It's not working. User preferences, appearance, fonts and colors. Okay. Preferences. Appearance. Okay, no, I'm wasting too much time. Oh, this is so weird. Anyways, we have storage here. We have schema and an event triggers. We have roles. You know, interesting things. What I want to do is learning about setting up logical. No, that's not what I want. Subscriptions. Create subscription. Is it this one? Maybe it's this one. Oh, it's still logical replication. The user that creates subscription becomes the owner of subscription. The subscription must be this thing. Go line subscribe to Postgres. Well, really one of the things that drove me to this, like Postgres as a queue. Yeah, it was in Hacker-News as well. The main objection of doing Postgres as queue is a performance one. Along the lines, don't put necessary extra load on DB, / don't increase row churn. Let's imagine the DB load introduced by a hypothetical task. I currently work in an energy industry, so the example might be customer submits a meter reading, we create a task to write the reading and update some account balance. Yep. Okay. If we had just one working polling tasks, we could ignore locking and transactions, but we won't have many, so we have to use our for updates skip lock. This automatically locks the row at the point where it selects it. Okay. You guys see that okay? Yeah, I mean it looks okay. Okay, let's implement. We have an index on status updates, on status and update that. Here also we have many tables, one per queue. Okay, so this looks like Python. So for underscore shutdown handler.loop, get event to process where status equals the process. Right. Okay, we update events queue. Set status to data that. So okay, so this is where you're gonna put some stuff. Alright, okay. I still don't quite understand this article. Process creates a queue, but this process doesn't really get into feature that differentiates it from just polling SQL server for tasks. Use listen to be notified of rows that have changed that the backend needs to take action on, so you're not currently polling for new work. Use notify from a trigger so that all you need is updates. You can select using skip locked, as the article points out. You can use partial indexes to effectively select rows. So the backend worker wakes up, it can listen for changes to the active working. Okay, this is interesting. PostgreSQL listen. Ooh, okay. Oh, my eyes really hurt, actually, for some reason. Wonder if I have any blue light glasses. One sec, guys. Be right back. Right. I have some glasses now. Just trying to make my eyes go a little bit easier. Because I'm kind of straining my eyes quite a bit. Actually, maybe I can change monitor settings. You know, just trying to, you know, not burn my eyes. Just like maybe this. Do I want contrast high or low? Maybe slightly lower. Alright. Seems to be good. Got it. This is a bit more comfortable to look at. I also have night mode on. Can I take that off? No, I'll keep night mode on. I thought you were done biting nails. I am, bro. I am. Was I doing it? Did I just do it in front of the stream? Well, that's actually, yeah, that's bad if I did. So, beep love, beep love, beep love. You saw me biting my nails. I actually didn't though. I don't think I did, man. Maybe I keep my hands closed as like almost like a coping mechanism, but no. Or I try not to at least. Who is People Love? I feel like I've heard your name before. Ah, well. That sucks. I'm really trying, I promise. I'm actually trying so hard not to do that. If you see it again, do point it out. And I don't know what I should be able to, maybe I have to do a push-up or something. If you see me do it, point it out with proof. Or I'll just take your word for it, actually. I'll do like 10 push-ups or something. Okay. Back to... No, actually I'll keep that low. Otherwise it might be too loud for the stream. Let me know if the sound is okay. I think the sound is good. Okay. Let's continue. So I want to learn about this listen. Listen for a notification. So listen registers the current session as a listener on the notification channel named channel. Right. So whenever the command notify channel is invoked, either by this session or another one, all the session currently listening on that notification channel are notified. Okay, I see. So if we listen to virtual, notify virtual. Yeah, this is only like Postgres, or at least it's not in the standard. Okay. Is there anything else you can provide to listen? Is it literally just channel? Alright, thanks People. Send ID or something? Okay. What is PG notify? Okay, keyword. So we have listen keyword. That's all we know so far. And that is that Postgres lets you listen to and notify channels. So I'm going to just put the listen in all caps. Those are the SQL keywords. Notify channels for asynchronous activities. Okay. Now I want to know more about this modifier. Notify, sorry. Oh, it does take a payload. Okay. The notify command sends a notification event together with an optional payload string. Which line? Okay, so if I go over here, I'll just create two clients. I'll go PSQL -d. What did I call it? I call it learning. D learning. Okay, so if I do listen on the left, actually, I'll do listen on the right. Listen to A. Notify A. Oh, well, that didn't do anything. Maybe I wonder if dbeaver lets me do something like this. Open SQL script. Or if I do listen to A. Oh, PSQL listen/notify. The notification is only retrieved from the server as a payload to request. If the client does not send a request to the server, it will not be a notification. In PSQL, you can run an empty statement, only a... Okay, so if I do this... Okay, so it like lets me know that I have received Asynchronous notification A received from server with specifically, okay. Hello world. Oh, these have to be single strings, don't they? Single quotes. Oh, okay. Notify. Okay, you know what? We're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves, so I would like to take a step back. People, are you still here? The only person in my chat. How are you doing, anyways? How's your day going? Or anyone else in the chat? If you guys want to join in, I'll have a little chat with you. Okay, let's finish this. Notify provides a simple inter-process communication mechanism. I'll do notify keyword. Simple ICP IPC inter-process communication mechanism. For a collection of processes accessing the same Postgres database, a payload string can be sent along with a notification, and a higher level mechanism for passing structured data can be built by using tables in the database to partition data from notify to listen. You can pass a string payload and use tables in the database to provide a more advanced mechanism. So here's the exercise that I'm kind of picturing. So step 1, set up some like work queues type stuff. So I'll explain, like when a specific table row is added to a table, then we notify. The receivers have to produce some work. So yeah, this will be done in Golang, and we can make the work be a little expensive to play with workers with like little worker pool pattern question mark, or just straight Golang. I think a worker queue would be kind of a worker pool would be quite interesting actually. You can try and max it out and see what the CPU does. Yeah. Okay. The information passed to the client for notification event includes the notification channel name. Yeah, that makes sense. It is up to the database designer to define the channel name that will be used in a given database. Okay. When notify is used to signal the occurrence of a change in a particular table, a useful programming technique is to put the notify in a statement trigger that is triggered by table updates. Yeah, that is actually really cool. Postgres documentation says you could put the notify part of the statement in a trigger to table updates. So now we're actually going to learn about 3 things. So the listen, the notify, some worker pools, but that's not really learning, I've done that many times. But also the table trigger events, which I've never actually gotten the pleasure to use, because I usually put that logic on the backend rather than the database. And maybe you should put that logic on the backend and not the database. However, I feel like because I listened to that advice so much, I haven't actually learned as much about Postgres as I wanted to. So let's do some more learning. Notify interacts with SQL transactions, which we don't really need to know this for now. It is common for a client that executes notify to be listening on the same notification channel itself. In that case, it will get back a notification event, just like all other listening sessions, depending on the application logic. This could result in useless work, for example, reading a database table to find the same update that the table is wrote to. Yeah, that's probably true. Ooh, to send a notification, you can use the PG notifier. Okay, let's have a look. Listen, notify, yep. Oh, comma, this is a payload. Okay, what does PG notify again? No, let's not worry about that. Let's with payload hello world. Right, cool. Cool. Hello guys, by the way. Anyone in the chat wanna how's everyone doing? Let's go full screen for a minute. Oh, it's a little bit dark in here. Maybe I can do some fade actually. Some rainbow like this. Quite bright. Let's just turn the speed down. The size like this. Yeah, I quite like it. I like it. We can speed it up. Oh, that's super distracting though. Oh, I can make it way brighter, guys, look. Here's some more white channel, just it's cool, isn't it? But let's slow it way down, put it like this much brightness, I think it's good. We can light up the Minecraft sword as well. There we go. Look at that. Is Lo-Fi still going? I can't... Oh, it's stopped. Yeah, I thought it did. Let's just replay. Quite enjoyed that. Okay, guys. Let's get back to work. Okay. I now have some good idea. So now notify. Let me just write this down. So you can do notify channel single strings hello world. Okay, and now how do I have this in Go? So if I let's actually just detach code/learning make dir Postgres pub sub. Alright. Let's do a main.go. How do I do? Is it go mod? Go mod init. Postgres pub sub. Come up tidy. Alright, we're good. Here we are. FMT, let's print line, hello world. Oh, I missed this language so much. Oh, you guys can't see that up there, hold on. Is that better? I could actually make my camera just a little bit smaller, like this. That's good, I think. Yeah, nice. That's okay. Let me just check on what the stream is looking like. Alright, I'm just gonna speak, you're gonna hear a bunch of echo, guys. Alright, cool. Yeah, so I just wanted to check what was how it's going on YouTube and everything, you know. Let's go here. Yeah. Right. Things going well. Swear boop love is. Cool. I'll just leave those open, but you know, just in case. Okay. Go Postgres. Go like Postgres, the pure Go Postgres driver. PQ, yeah. Well, probably do just on PQ. PQ, listen. Okay, so this is polling up here, and then wait for notification of L PG listener, which I guess will come from down here. So we open the database, we create pq.new listener. Okay, let's see, I think it's you know, PQ. I think I have to restart the LSP to, hold on. Let's go over here, let's get rid of that actually. I do almost wish I had this, but like it's too big. Because I do want some padding, because now I'm just looking to the left side, so maybe I can just shift myself to the left a little bit. pq.open make a string. Oh, I don't even know. Hold on guys, sorry. I'm pretty sure I have some. That's actually fine. I just didn't want to like give my password away for some reason. If we do PostgreSQL, John. I wonder if I need a password. Learning. Yeah, that's good. And that returns driver. Or actually just call it DB if error is not equal to null. Try and include the error. Let's see what happens. SSL it's not enabled on the side. Equals disabled. Is it disabled? Disable SSL mode disable. Let's do that. Cool. Okay, so we have new listen. Creates a new database connection dedicated to listen/notify. Let's listen to what else do you need? Min reconnect interval. Min reconnect interval controls duration to wait before trying to establish database connection. After connection loss, time dot a second. And then event callback. Ah, yes. What do I do with this listener? Dot unlisten. Or just close. Can I do close? What is this? close disconnects the listener from the database and shuts it down. Subsequently calls to its method will return no error. I see. Just defer that. Then here we have not this, but func. It's funny, it's not actually helping me very much. What's this? Oh, wait, hold on, yeah. That's the one. If errors are to know, we're just gonna always panic for the error, otherwise the event. What is this? This is an event. Generation plus event types, okay. Notification. Wait, surely it has more than this. Oh, is that, maybe we need to do a listen dot, what was the example? Oh, report problems. Okay, oh, I see. Error. Yeah, so we're gonna need a little bit of this. Listen to work. Oh, listen to connection info. Okay. Put it around there. Copy in there. Let's go connection. Listen to change around this connection. Listen to work, but I haven't actually provided it. Okay, so we enter main loop of process all variable work before awaiting notifications, await for notification with the listener. Oh, I see. So this should actually not be on the main thread at all. This should be made, yeah, this should be made in its own thing. Okay, so let's just copy this for now. Wait for notifications with a listener. And up here we have, okay, if it is modified, receive notification, new work available. Timed after go l.ping, check if there's any more work available, just in case it takes a while for this one to notify connection loss. Okay, what does l.ping? Ping the remote to make sure it's live. Okay. So it waits for, let's do notify work. Receive notification work available. Oh, this needs to be a for loop, doesn't it? Yeah. Right, nice. And up here, l dot notify. And how do I then? There is payload in this. Maybe I don't actually do a payload, I actually just select from a table. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do create table Fibonacci. Actually, let's do this in DB. PostgreSQL create table. I always dislike doing this by hand, to be honest. Yeah, create table statement. Let's just go id serial primary key. And let's go number. Int. Okay. And what we could do is we could have a table that is actually dedicated to creating this type of work. So imagine, yeah, we should have like Fibonacci work. We read from that table, and then yeah. Let's do the same. Serial number. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, well, what was the? Oh no, I would like for that to be like an ID almost, but they did say here, it has come for the client that executes notified to be listening on the same notification channel itself. Or even. Reading a database table to find blah blah blah. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a server event for, okay, let's drop Fibonacci. Okay, and let's put Fibonacci number, number int, and then the Fibonacci number 2 is the actual, let's do a value, it's an int as well. Let's do not null here, but value can't be null. Cool, okay, so then what we can do is we can do select all from Fibonacci where value is equal to null. Okay, let's do that then. Let's write a function called getWork or getWork, and I'm gonna need the database on my notes. Prepare returns a prepare statement about this connection. Prepare takes in the SQL. Select number from Fibonacci where null is equal to null. Statement. Let's just do error. Then we have statement.query. Yeah, let's pass it driver.statement. And let's go into array, or the other way around even. What's this? What's it talking about? Statement like this. Deprecated driver should implement statement exec context instead. Deprecated driver should implement statement. Oh, how do I? Okay. Drivers should implement statement query context. Oh, I think this is probably fine though. Oh, query. I can't actually remember how this works. PQ query table, like simple example, querying data, query. Oh, we scan into something. Okay. So let's go rose dot. Query dots. It's gonna be scan, right? How can I do this? So strange. db dot query. Yeah, we have prepare. The PQ, database driver. Hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. That's not the correct thing. Or is it? It might be. I think it actually is, to be fair. Dot pq dot yeah. It is this. Yeah, let's do that. What is this? Driver without values? Hold on. I'm a bit confused, to be honest. There is no row dot. Is there a row dot? There is no row dot scan. So confused by this. You see? It's like there's no scan. So weird, man. Okay, I've just done this so many times in the past, and I'm actually just not. Is it PQ? Okay, let's try some of this. Yeah, this one's a bit more up to date, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Let's try this. Yeah, PGX. Oh, it's PGX, not PGX. Yeah. Dot connect. Dot background. Connect has config. Oh, do I have to do that? Alright, getting started guide. Okay, you know what? Let's go back to just PQ. Because that must be doing something just really silly. Have a database. Okay, sorry, open it. Opens a new connection database. DNS is a connection my sheet. Yep. And what if I do PQ dot? So confused. Wait, hold on. There is a database.query directory, isn't there? No? Oh, it's SQL. Oh my god, I'm actually so silly. Yeah. Oh no. Alright, I understand the entire confusion. Yeah, I'm just a bit silly. And then we go here. You do come from here. And yeah, that's it. Alright. I'm just, you know, I'm a bit silly. Silly. Which is a pointer to SQL.db. And db.query. Select select number from Fibonacci, where value is equal to null. We have rows. We don't need any of this here. db.new listener. Oh, but we can here we can actually do PQ, I think. Or we can just actually do new listener because we import PQ. Alright, that is still working. Okay, while rows.next for rows.next, we go rows.scan. Yeah, scan into work numbers, make array event. There we go. Work numbers, append. No, sorry. Let's make num which is equal to 0. You get scan at the pointer of num, and you go work numbers equals append the number work numbers. Oh yeah. Let's go off into the print line num. So this does wait for notification, and then we can go get work. Or actually, we get work before. Like this. Let's get some more music. Lo-fi, no copy. Okay, good. Let's do this one.
Everyone around here agrees working with Fiverr freelancers is.
How are you guys doing? How's everyone in the chat? We're just doing a little bit of Postgres stuff. Let me know if the music is good. There's enough. It's loud enough. Yeah. Anyways. Let's get back to it. Okay. So now, if I go over here and I do a notify work, receive notification, it did this, there was no rows.next. What if I go insert into Fibonacci values, so I don't need the primary key, number, just values 2. And let's then notify it of work, and then it gets into here, no? Inline rows. Let's go back. Yeah, nothing. Oh. Where's that size? Did I get the query correct? The value is null, hold on. Section value, what? If value is null, okay, is null, we want, yeah. Great. So now that we do have this, we've returned to work. Here we're gonna have some work queues maybe. Well, to be honest, we don't really care so much about the work queues. What we can do here is just spawn Go routines and some coordination channels, but I think it is more interesting to do work queues. Although, single thread first. Let's go fib and int, and let's make this like pretty horrendous. Let's go 1. Return. Oh, actually. Return 1. N is equal to 1. Oh, this actually returns 0. Return 1. Oh, I am actually being so silly. Just return it in. Return fib. Minus 1 times n minus 2. There we go. Insert number. Let's actually get rid of this case by being super lazy, just saying 90 hour instead. I'm actually just going to change a couple things here. Okay, so this is my insert number. This actually does mean that this needs to be a better struct. So let's make type Fibonacci struct which has ID. How do I make? Oh, I can make struct fields non-initialized. Can I? Yeah, I can. For some chaos reason, and not having optional types in Go, which is pretty lame. But anyways, so I have the int, I have number int, I have value int. Let's make an array of Fibonacci instead. And let's be kind of certain with select ID number. Scan into. Let's make Fibonacci's. Let's make fib is equal to Fibonacci without being initialized. Scan into fib. Just print this out. You can do a nice printing as well. Of is it % plus x I think, or v, something like this. Fibonacci's fib. Not there. That's it. Like so. So now we change that function there. Get rid of other ones as well. Great. so we return Fibonacci's. We update. Okay. Get work. Full work. Fibs. Fibonacci. I forget how to yeah. I need a for loop. Oh, that's fibs in range of fibs. That's it. I was like, oh, how do I do this? Because I wanted to do the Zig version. I wanted to do a capture group like this, like you have in Zig. But yeah, doesn't quite work, does it? Let's do value is equal to fib of f, and then insert number. We have to pass in the database as well here. This will all make a little bit more sense in a second, guys. And then the value. F dot like this. Alright. So now, what I want to do is after the to-do work, let's do perform work database to do work, like this. Hold on, we did do perform work, and then I did insert number. ID like this, inserting 0 in ID 0. Oh, they're not being. I need to do fib.id, then. Hold on. I just had a. I just have a bunch of stuff here. Oh yeah, so it is this here. Okay. So the value for number 2 is 0, which it isn't. Oh, it's because I implemented the function wrong. It's plus. Well, I know that's what we're doing. This here. Let's just delete all from Fibonacci. Okay. So it's going to wait for some work to do. I'm just going to insert all the numbers. So let's do the number 2, the number 5, the number 4, 3, number 1. let's just select them all. Now if I do notify work, then that went away and did all the work. There we are. It's nice. So, but now if I step it up and do like 30. Oh, 30 is just not too much. Yeah, 30 is just not too much. Okay, receiving notification. Now it's going away and performing a bunch of work that it might not finish. I went 50. 50 might be too much. Yeah, too high, I think. If we have a look at, yeah, one of my threads is maxed. Yep. Let's do 40. Delete from Fibonacci where ID equals 8. Let's do notify work. Okay, so that took a little bit of time. Nice, so let's do 40, 42, 41. Notify work, and you'll see we're inserting again, but that did take some time. So let's do a little worker pool. So the perform work should be called individually. Let's replace that with F. Or actually, no, the Go routine I want is just fib. And we're gonna need some channels, some good quality channels. It's actually good revision. I haven't done these in a long time. So we're gonna need to create a channel that my little work use can come back from. I'm only doing this because I think it's interesting. Because otherwise, I would let Golang the Go routine scheduler handle everything for me. It's probably way more efficient than I can get it. However, I think it's a good pattern to revisit, to show you once in a while. Yeah, so what we do here is we're going to create a channel that receives notifications from the workers. So let's do work completed, which is a channel, make of the channel that receives ints. It's an int channel. Channel, I think it's definitely make. Chan int, that's it, yeah. It's not in chan, is it? It's just a channel event. Okay. So our main thread is going to do a bunch of stuff. It's also going to do work to do, which is another channel of int. So the main thread is going to be busy doing this, doing the notification stuff. So what I do is go func. I just instantly initialize that one, which what's going to do is going to select the num to be work to do. Oh yeah, sorry, case, yeah. I don't even need these, do I? Because now it knows numbers and int. Okay, hold on. Golang receive channel. oh yeah, so it is just the same. Yeah, I thought it was, but it seemed a little bit weird. N, okay. So when we receive from work to do, we put, oh no. No. Ah, hold on, I got this. For I is equal to 0, I is smaller than, let's make 4. We invoke these go routines. These are actually our workers, that's the one. And when we receive work to do, fib number, just calculate the fib of n. There we go, insert number, db fib number. Insert number has to change to not to just do this. We have work to do for underscore to do in the range of to do work. To do is Fibonacci. Oh, I also need the ID. So it gives you. Oh, can I do tuple? Can I receive tuples? No. Golang. Oh wait. Golang channel receive tuples. What is this? I don't know that. So let's go ID. Ah, it doesn't work actually. Let's do fib to do. Actually, it could just send Fibonacci, right? So it's fine. Channel Fibonacci and the work is done. We don't need a work done here, we just need work to do. Value number even. We're gonna insert a f of Fibonacci. And value f.id f.number value. Oh, sorry. Okay. A little bit of mutation going on there. The rest of the people will not be happy. We go. Oh, I need to push onto a queue. How do I do this actually? Work to do. Like this, right? What even work to do? Oh yeah, you put it on the other side. 5. But to do. Okay. Form work. No one wants perform work anymore. How is this? Let's actually do into sprint line. Worker beginning. Okay. And so full stop. Alright, there we go. And if I then insert the number, let's go 41 again. We notify worker 0 is working. Then we saw that there. Although not quite. And what numbers go to that? Inserting what? Oh, sorry, value. Yeah, that's right. Let's do delete all from Fibonacci. Insert. Okay, let's do insert into Fibonacci number 10, 20, 30, 9, 40, 41, 42, 3, 44, and these will not be done in order. So you see you have a lot of work to do. I'm running this full screen this. As soon as I then go notify worker 3 working, worker 0 insert working, inserting. Now, if I'm, hold on. They should all continue working though. It seems like they've exited. Ah, hold on. This is bad design. Bad me. Okay, so still to do. But the thing is I didn't do a for loop in. So yeah, the go routine's just exited, and obviously we don't want that. There we go, work 3, 0, 2, 1, 1 is going again, 0 is going again, 2 is going. We're inserting, that's 1. That's them finishing, and they are not beginning again because... well, because there's no more work to do. Let's do a little bit more. 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8, 4, 9. This might take a little bit, actually. But you see they all started working basically at the same time. If you have a look at page stop, you can see I have quite a few threads being used by that now. Which is nice. Okay, so we've done the first one, and expressed on the second is out of order for type enter. Okay, yeah, that's fair enough, I guess. So data type's a bit wrong. But you know what? I think I am mostly happy with this. I think it's quite cool. Oh, actually, one more thing. We have as an example of how to do subscriptions. I'm happy with that. Really, really happy with that, actually. The worker pool going on. We could do a couple more of these. Obviously, this is kind of not the most useful example, but honestly, I think it's a very good pattern, and I find myself reaching for stuff like this a lot when I'm writing application level code. You know, when you're writing anything that is based on work from a subscription. So if user A in the UI updates something and that needs to be processed by our system somehow, like we need to do some work in the background, we don't want to do it at the time of the request because it might take too long. Like if the user sends an API request, we don't want to do the work straight away there. We want to send a response quickly, and in the background we want to deal with our own work, be that with queues, be that with this notify system. And the good thing, I don't know if you guys noticed, is that if I come back to here, worker 210 running again, because we're in Postgres. The data will always be there, will always be solid. I know, maybe you should have indexes and stuff because maybe Redis might be a better way to do like a pub sub system. But why, if you are just going to do Redis for pub sub and you already have a Postgres database in your application, maybe you don't want to reach for more stuff. You know, more stuff, more complexity. Postgres can do it. All right, one last little chapter that I'd like to do before we finish this stream and this little learning stuff is actually to create a PostgreSQL table trigger events. Let's do this. Create a replace function, event trigger function name, returns event trigger as event trigger example. Okay, hold on. So I need event trigger with notify. I'll trigger notification. Okay. Create trigger after insert on table for each row. Execute function pg notify. Oh, I see. I see. pg notify channel name. So that's good. So not for each row. So actually we're going to get rid of that for each. We don't want the for each row. On table notch, notchy. And we want to do it after an insert. We're going to execute work. And I don't think we're doing anything here. Did you notify doesn't exist? pg notify. Hold on, it's an AI moment. Can you write a... Oh, no, that's... No, PostgreSQL event trigger. I want the function. Someone had a function. Okay. Oh, is it execute section? Notify work. Write a PSQL write a event trigger that when a row is added to a table, it uses the notify keyword. Because I just don't quite remember or know the syntax at all. Alright, create a, it is gonna have to do that. Create or replace function notify on insert returns trigger as this is declare payload text. I don't need, oh my god, what the hell? That's horrible. Okay, I will do something close to this to start with, but I will not do... Actually, if I'm here, why can't I just do... return null? Oh, hold on. Okay, notify and insert. Then we have create trigger after insert dot Fibonacci. What is it? Execute function notify on insert. Okay, nice. So now we have an event trigger. Okay, let's actually delete all of them. Let's have it ready, and if I now go insert into Fibonacci number values 1. Okay, that did a trigger event, that worked. So now if I go here, 38, 39, 40, they should all just be receiving events. I'll just go. There we are. It's cool. I like it. So let's do 42, 43, 42. Let's do 42 a few times. There's our process going away and doing a bunch of work. Nice. So I'm gonna stop there, guys. An hour and 4 minutes. Yeah, that's pretty good. Quite a lot of content to show. Thank you. Let's just do like a recap on everything we did today. So, that's probably not good enough to commit, is it? I could do, to be fair. I'll write a blog post on this, actually, because it is quite cool. I need to write that down so I don't forget. Nice. Okay, to recap, we have a program that interacts with the database. Now, this database is just a Postgres database, and we can use the listen keyword to listen to published notifications. What this also does, this program does, it spawns 4 Go routines to start with. As soon as it goes, spawns the 4 routines. All they do is listen to a channel called work to do, which is Go's ways of doing channels. And then the main thread becomes busy, first of all, getting work from the database for any work that you might have closed your process before being able to do that, or being able to read into it, to read it, and then it does wait for notification. Wait for notification is this one actually. Just waits for the listener to be notified. When it is notified, this then goes back up the for loop and gets the work done. As soon as when any work is done, we send it onto the channel, and then these little workers will pick it up. Now, worker pattern probably actually not the best here. Or maybe good. It depends. It's not the most efficient depending on the situation, because Go will be super efficient at just, like if you just did, instead of doing a notification here, you just do Go do work, you know, like spawn this part here, you would be probably a little bit better off anyways. Golang will handle stuff, but this is still a nice pattern to know, and you should know this type of pattern when you work in backend development systems, when you're developing systems for the backend. The last part that we did, first of all, the get work is pretty simple. We just select from a database to select Fibonacci numbers that we want to get, and then we have a function to actually calculate Fibonacci numbers in a very inefficient way on purpose, so that we could see the work being done in kind of asynchronous way. And then we update said database. This doesn't, well, this could mess up with some race conditions. You're probably gonna be able to attempt to update the same thing twice, but that's for another live stream. And then the last thing that we did was we created a function, very, very simple function that just notifies work and returns null, because I did not know the syntax to just do this here. So yeah, and then we created an event trigger for, I would just call trigger name, after we insert something on Fibonacci. Basically, you'll be notified of work anytime any work is possible. So yeah, that's what we learned today. That's what we learned today, guys. Oh, the Minecraft sword actually ran out of batteries. That's interesting. Okay, I'm very happy with today's stream. I think I actually learned a lot, and thank you if you've made it this far. Just signing off now. If anyone in the chat wants to say anything, I'm not sure I have that many viewers actually looking at the chat. If you want to say anything, I'm gonna just hang around for a couple minutes. Kind of just speak at you for a little. But if you want to ask anything in the chat, go right ahead. But we are just wrapping up the stream. We're finishing it up so that we can all go have dinner, or at least I will go have dinner. Yeah, pretty nice. I hope you guys liked the kind of atmosphere. A little bit of lo-fi, a little bit of programming, learning some stuff. So yeah. Alright, thank you everyone who watched. Thank you everyone on YouTube. And I'm gonna finish up now. Take care, guys.